Hi you guys, welcome to another episode of Girl You Always Doing Something. Today this is a cooking recipe. This is a really quick cooking recipe. Guys, stay tuned, sit back, watch. Hopefully you guys can try it and enjoy. So what I'm making today, up here we call it Chicken Perlo. I'm using thighs with skin on it. Down south I think they call it chicken bog. So the ingredients are listed right here. Seasoning your chicken with whatever you like to season your chicken with. For me, I'm doing black pepper, sea salt, sage, paprika, 2 bouillon cubes, and an onion. Make sure you don't use too much salt when you're using your bouillon cubes because they contain a lot of sodium. Here is my chicken. It is cleaned. I rinsed it off, patted dry. I'm getting ready to add all my seasonings. Okay, so in a large pot or skillet, I just put in some water. I added my onions. I like a lot of onions. I'm not going to keep these onions in. I'm only doing this for flavoring. And I added the 2 bouillon cubes. Add all your seasonings in here and then throw your chicken in. And we're going to let it boil for about 40 minutes to an hour. So here is what my pot looks like after I added all my seasonings that I showed you. The thighs are in there, but it's covered by the black pepper. I'm going to put a top on it and just let it cook for 40 minutes. And then we will add in our rice. I forgot. We need a cup of rice, 2 cups of rice, depending on your family size. I'm going to just use some good old-fashioned parboiled rice, white rice. Okay, so the chicken is done. All you're going to do now is add in a cup of rice. I've already added my rice. And the water and rice is going to absorb and your meal is completely done. This is called again your chicken perlo or chicken bog. Enjoy. Also, please make sure you like, rate, and subscribe. So this is the end results. You can go in and take the bones off if you want to, or just serve it like this. You can serve it with a vegetable. You can serve it with salad, and you can serve it with some bread. It's up to you. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Again, please like, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.